Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about 10 delicious protein-packed veggies. Your body relies on protein to help build your muscles and organs, deliver oxygen to cells, and keep your immune system strong. It's recommended that most people aim to get around 10% of the daily calories from protein. For instance, that's about 56 grams for men based on a 2,000 calorie diet, and 46 grams for women on a 1,800 calorie diet. While meat is a good protein source, it's important not to overindulge, especially in fatty varieties, as they can contribute to weight gain and health issues like high blood pressure and cholesterol. Thankfully, there are plenty of other foods rich in protein, such as yogurt, eggs, beans, and even vegetables. In fact, a varied vegetable diet can provide all the protein you need. 1. Soybeans. Steam them with just a touch of salt for a protein-packed snack, boasting up to 22 grams per cup, comparable to a serving of chicken breast. 2. Tempeh. Made from fermented soybeans, tempeh offers about 17 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, making it a versatile meat substitute. Try it in a tempeh hamburger for a satisfying and protein-rich meal. 3. Lentils. Cooked lentils provide 9 grams of protein per half cup. Create a meat-like texture by cooking them with caramelized onions and wild mushrooms. 4. Sugar snap peas. With around 5 grams of protein per cup, these peas are perfect for a protein-packed stir-fry when paired with tempeh, onions, and hot peppers. 5. Potatoes. A large baked potato contains about 8 grams of protein. Opt for toppings like chili made with low-fat ground turkey or tofu crumbles, along with plenty of beans for an added protein boost. 6. Broccoli rabe. Offering more than 3 grams of protein per serving, sauté this vegetable with garlic and onions for a delicious and versatile side dish. 7. White mushrooms. A cup of cooked white mushrooms contains about 3.5 grams of protein. Try sautéing them with garlic and chili flakes, then mixing with pasta for a classic Italian dish. 8. Corn. Enjoy a summery side with a dab of butter and sprinkle of salt. 1 large ear provides almost 4 grams of protein. 9. Artichoke. Boil a whole artichoke and sprinkle with salt for a simple and tasty treat, offering about 3.5 grams of protein. Add a drizzle of butter or olive oil if desired. 10. Brussels sprouts. These little cabbages pack 2 grams of protein per half cup. Roast them with onions, garlic, and olive oil, and for extra flavor and protein, add a bit of bacon. Remember, incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial for your health. Enjoy exploring these tasty options to support your body's needs while savoring flavorful meals. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.